5 Chevy SS Silverado. Got the 6.0 in it. Got aftermarket headers, full tube, long tube headers, high flow cats, then 2.5 system into an X pipe, true dual all the way back into GM performance parts mufflers, straight through design, and turn downs right before the rear end. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. 2003 Chevy 2500 HD. Got the 6.0 liter V8 in it. It's got stock converters, and then we true dual it with 2.5 all the way back into 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. True dual all the way back. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy Silverado SS, 6.0 liter supercharged. And you guys saw the exhaust on it already.